Hi there, George here. Today I'm going to show you my Billbergia in bloom, and this time it's the self video special. It's in full bloom. It was grow about 7 spikes and all day in bloom right now. Every spike have open flowers and that's it. I make last year blooming video on this beauty but had only one flower in bloom, but now all it's in bloom, in full bloom, and that's it amazing. It deserves another video, special blooming video, so nice, and the leaves looks perfect here, nice. I will show you flowers close up, and this plant it's in the same family with pineapples. It was gifted to me by one friend and his name is Vitaly. Now let's see how it looks like close up at the flowers. You know, everyone loves pink flower, I think. I love so much. Let's see. And so nice, beautiful. You can see the petals pink, nice, looking perfect. Days it's so dark outside, that's it, but this plant it's okay for it. It's not pretentious plant and blooming, and look at this blue color on those, you know, flowers, so beautiful. This is the first one. Let's move to next. Is this, so looks like here the same, all they looks the same, and so happy the plant it's okay and growing nice for me. So the next flower is this one. You can see, so beautiful, and I put it here over African violet, but I will put back very soon. And another flower, it's on the leaves. Actually it's in that size, that part, you know. Look, here is two plants. Let's turn off this light. Yes, to see the flowers, natural light color. So it looks like it's beautiful, nice. And another one here, let's see. Oh, amazing. And this is the last one. Beautiful looks like. This is not its place. I grow it in another room, but I move it when I started to film to show you here. It's more beautiful to shoot, that's it. And so beautiful this plant and the big, that's it. This was a short video, that's it. Let's see all the leaves how it looks like. You know, I grow it outside in the summertime in full sunny, that's it. And here you can see my color want to bloom again. This is nice color, blooming 3 times per year, something like that, if take care. So that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching to the end. Greetings from Moldova. Hope you enjoyed. Put like and hit the subscribe button if you want. And see you next time. Bye bye.